David, thank you. Developing overnight, mixed news to report out of Asia because the Chinese stocks are tumbling again this morning after yesterday's huge decline, the biggest that we've seen in 8 years. But a different story to report out of other Asian markets. Most are rebounding from a day of heavy losses. Now, investors in Wall Street are hoping to see that momentum later on this morning after the opening bell. Investors are blaming yesterday's wild ride on several factors, including China, when it comes to fears their economy is slowing down. On Monday morning, the Dow plunged nearly 1,100 points in 5 minutes. It rebounded, and then it went back down again. The Dow lost 588 points by closing. And so with all of that that's going on in the stock market, we're wondering this morning, what does it mean to you? What does it mean to your financial security?
And so a UT economics professor told our Robert Hadlock, right now, there's nothing to worry about.
There are always fluctuations. This one's bigger than usual. I wouldn't pay too much attention to it unless you're very heavily involved in the stock market on a day-to-day basis.
So folks with a 401k,
best advice is keep on putting money in regularly and invest for the long term. The return on stocks over a 50-year period is about 7 or 8%, maybe 5 or 6 after inflation. That's real good. It means your money doubles in purchasing power every 10 or 12 years. Stick with it, be steady, and don't worry about these things.
Well, Dr. Daniel Hammermesh goes on to say this could help the economy. We'll watch the rest of the interview by clicking on this story at KXAN.com.